So yes, 100 years of Leica, and how are they celebrating? Making cufflinks and the Dubai UAE M11. Funny, right? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from One and Solly, and today we are discussing and celebrating these 100 years of Leica, guys. I'm also happy because in these last 100 years, Leica kept us company, providing great camera bodies, great glasses, image quality over the top. It's a top-notch camera that you can buy within the segment. I'm always referring, of course, to the rangefinder, which is the core camera that made Leica famous, but also with the M-mount and other compact cameras, they're up to the standards that they set. So, rangefinder cameras. When I was a kiddo, I was dreaming about this M6, and then I kept evolving, and my dreams came up to the M10 monochrome, which is, in my humble opinion, the last model with still a bit of romance, because the M11, it's much more technology than romance. And then, of course, the image quality is great. There is this beautiful sensor. You can pick up whatever resolution you want, 1836 or 60. It's very handy. You can have a crop in digital crop with that camera, so you can go around with just one glass that matches perfectly my philosophy for one lens only. But then I was a bit puzzled because I saw that for celebration of this 100th anniversary of Leica, well, they made the teddy bears. All right, collectors will be fun and will be happy of having them. And then they made cufflinks, bracelets, many other minor items that I can understand. I did not understand, though, why they didn't make a special watch, because now Leica, they're also producing beautiful watches. I was expecting a celebration 100-year anniversary watch. Maybe it's coming, maybe I missed it. Let's hope they will propose it. But then I saw all the different iterations of the M11. Now, when the camera is not so recent, Leica tends to have special limited editions. We remember the 007 Agent for Q2, Q3, the Safari edition, the silver, the black, the matte black, the glossy black, and they just presented the glossy black version of the Leica M11 combined to its glass, and then I saw they presented this Dubai version of the M11, and it's a bit puzzling because medium is something very important. Maybe I'm not aware of it, but I don't remember this tradition for photography coming from Dubai. I don't remember any camera company coming from Dubai, not even any glass producers located there. So I'm not understanding this thing, but I think I can understand because, of course, Dubai is a good market for Leica because they also have the Leica store in there, and I am sure this limited edition will sell like hotcakes the moment it reaches the store. They will be gone also for collectors, but it's a nonsense to me. It's a historical forgery because they would eventually make a Roman Empire edition as well that make everybody proud, especially in Europe. But don't forget the Leica comes from Germany. So what does a German producer have in common with either Dubai or with the Roman Empire? I still have to get it, but it's not for me to discuss and to decide because they launched it already. So I know there are some people out there, they are already preparing the money to put down for the down payment to reserve it, and then they will be also happy when they will have it in their hands. It's just a discussion that I want to have with you guys and with Leica aficionados. What were you expecting to get as a limited 100th anniversary edition for the Leica M? And then, yeah, of course, Leica M is not 100 years old. There were other cameras prior to that, the Leica 3F that I had the chance to use and have it in my hands. And then, of course, the most recent ones. But 100th anniversary, let's all go to Wetzelar this summer and celebrate together. So with that, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the reviews to come. And I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.